The Nehu Yuva Kendra Sangathan under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India organized a district level Yuva Utsav 2023 India at 2047 with the theme Panch Prant of Amrit Kal that aligns with the 75 years of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It was conducted on Friday for West Giant Hills District at Government Boys High Secondary School Jowai and was participated by youths and students from 3 blocks of the district. The Yuva Utsav was inaugurated by Jowai Central MDC A. Andrew Shulai as the chief guest along with ADC West Giant Hills District M. Chalam as the guest of honor in the presence of other dignitaries. Addressing the function, he expressed that he was pleased to see the enthusiasm of youths and encouraged them to continue to participate in such events. The Border Security Force and